Have you ever wondered, what would the world be like without Mr. Bean? No man running around in a tweed jacket, causing chaos with a teddy bear as his best friend? No silent mischief at church? No ridiculous adventures with his tiny green car? No hotel disasters, turkey on the head moments, or the legendary way he brushes his teeth in public? Mr. Bean isn't just funny, and he redefined comedy without even needing to say a word. His awkward genius has made millions of people laugh in every corner of the world. He's the kind of man who'd ruin a date, wreck a wedding, crash a party, and somehow make it all hilarious. Without Mr. Bean, life would be just a little too serious, like tea without biscuits, or Christmas without a cracker joke. So thank goodness we do have Mr. Bean, the king of awkward silence and the funniest disaster to ever walk the earth.